Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them.
So. Alright, well. Blessed love, blessed love. Blessed love. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Anywhere you are, where you're watching from. Thing good?
Yeah, man, subscribe, I know.
Oh, big up yourself, man. Big up, yeah? Yeah. I'm not full. I'm not bad, I'm not bad. Quick and fast. Alright guys, so anything, so we're gonna get, so me and mommy, and we're gonna get some KFC for Cranberry, you know, and the family, you know, because you know Cranberry wants to say our granny. Cranberry is a key, you know, we don't bring my grandmother home. I want to see my grandmother, you know, so they know, yeah, so you know, they just go see our grandmother today. So grandmother bring them a treat, you know. KFC, things are looking good. So anyway, thing goes already. So it is not so packed, you know. So you know, not so bad. Pick up fast. Alright guys, so see thing here. We have the chicken smelling of car right here. There. Cranberry them nose like her. Whatever. Them one that. Alright, so you know the thing goes. So we got some chicken, you know, Cranberry grandma bring chicken for you.
Yeah, man, when you go to my deal shop, Kino, grandmother come.
Yeah, bro, I'm gonna bring our grandmother.
How much auntie me have on?
Yeah, I'm gonna bring our grandmother.
Me I tell you, she old.
So they will be getting their treat from their grandma. Yes, Miss Cranberry, you're getting a treat. So while them eat chicken, move over.
Light up.
Move over a breadfruit burger.
And them stay there.
While them eating chicken.
Yeah, breadfruit burger.
I was spice of pasta.
Oh, dung so, or the most dung so. Because we hear certain things we should have known say I don't have European.
Exactly.
This is my chicken burger. My chicken burger.
You see it look like?
You want to?
You never tried it?
You never see it?
No.
All this time?
No.
You never get none?
No.
But guys, this is what the... Eh? If what? It big don't. Me eat to a certain and then me have one little piece leave. You can't finish all of it.
Not at them, but you know me finish my one.
You know your appetite tall, my one not tall.
First me I eat it, come on.
I said the first one I eat that 2 meat one time. I said, no sir, what is? First time I taste I was spice burger, man. I can say, what is? You know, I said, no sir, I order one more straight away and lick it off. And then get one.
Really hungry that day.
And
No,
then you eat nothing for the rest of the night.
Yeah, but they end up bringing one as well too.
3.
It's a 3 that.
Yeah. Man, if I say, yo, so you like it? I said, brother, never eat nothing like this yet. You know, never come across a burger like that. True, nice, man, nice. Imagine how I eat burger, and then I give bread as the bun.
But you know what?
I get something without a bread, you know?
The thing is this now, guys. We don't normally buy burger in England. Sometimes I go to me. Everybody want it. There's something. I just
Everyone go to Iowa Spice, I'm never disappointed when I told them about the breadfruit bread.
No.
Never ever disappointed.
What do you with the same little chocolate tea thing there?
Hey, that nice system, man.
Oh God, man, Kino, man.
You get that?
Yeah, man.
Man, I bring back pure
You
memories.
remember how my granny, I said we taste like how my granny used to do.
It's Yuri.
Right. I tell you.
But the whole thing that have the busy night.
Yeah, that one there would just have a
I eat one, drink one right now.
Alright guys, you know things go so we're on the journey. You know, we're gonna end up there right now. So sunny day today. No rain, no overcast, clear sky. Blue. You know the sun, you know the
Weatherman.
Yeah.
Hey, you're not done weatherman.
You know where it goes already, have a keep check. So stay tuned. Mommy, where crooks?
It's in the so.
David,
It's in
I
the
forgot
bag,
change
guys. Guys, it's in the bag. I'm no longer watching it on the television. I am here, live and direct.
Yeah. So she's here, guys. So you know the thing goes. So we just touched down here.
And also,
At
I'm used to
River.
this area anyway from I was small,
Yeah.
from Irish Town.
She used to this type of environment.
So I don't know if at this age, maybe I can go up the hill. Like, we'll see what's going on, guys. It's gonna be a joke.
Yeah.
Today's my joke day, guys, for you guys to sit home
Let's
and
see if
laugh.
she can cross
Let me
it.
see if we can cross it and go up the hill. I will cross it from
Let's see if she can cross
Oh,
it. No,
Jesus.
sir.
No,
That's always the challenging part for them to cross it.
Somebody need you better carry my bag. Oh,
Yeah. Nobody can cross it.
Daniela right next to me.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, Esther, again for coming out.
Yeah. Yeah.
No, me not afraid of the
Esther
river.
walking at the water.
No,
not
me
crossing.
walking at the water.
Because Esther have to pick up her mom, you know,
Yeah.
from the dialysis, so she couldn't get to make it today. But she has to go and pick up her mom. So today we're gonna chat it. Hold the bag.
I'm not put out the cup, but I walk barefoot.
You can't mind barefoot, can you put another tender? The last you walk barefoot.
Oh, sir. Hey,
I'm hold your bag for you from now.
back, you know.
So you can balance up and go down.
Balance the same. Wait, you know.
Take your time. You know I'm going to go chuck off right now for you. No, I have to go chuck off. Oh, and you could hold it right in front of there, so. Yeah. But you feel up your feeling, you know, so the water cold. Step on the side. You are going better than Felicia, man. Oh.
I remember I used to go to river when I used to up by Maryland.
Yeah.
Where my auntie used to live.
Boom. 30 grand. Remember I have to walk with her across the water?
Who, me?
Yeah. Yeah, right. We'll bring her right in this one.
What, Essa?
No, man. Over space to them there. So walk back up this one.
Wait there.
Walk around, see you, man. Cranberry! The cranberry come cross you. See my runner come there.
Grandmother, yeah!
Wait there.
Hey, boom, go for the chicken. See dog them a come there. Go for the chicken, cause the boy, that white nose, you know. And the juice, take it up.
Cranberry!
Eh? Can't walk up this way to if you want.
Which part better for walk?
Can't walk right up here, so.
Right there, so? That one. Good evening. You okay?
Yeah, asking if you anything. I tell him about somebody say about hear me.
Yeah, but of course it's here, yo.
You see him?
Where you from here, something I walk, yeah?
No, that stone is slippery.
You want to slippery?
It's
You know where it's very daddy.
It's not well, that means it's slippery. Yeah? Very cool.
You know, I'm up there watching you on the TV and I say, hey, you take in and nah, but I come.
Go make me see
Are you daddy? Yeah, I try to down.
I have to hide from her, guys. You know why I have to hide from her?
Hey, no, I come.
So why I have to hide from her?
Yeah, I'm so keen on mother. Pretty on. Mr. Shabala.
So you finally beat her granny?
Yes, me tell her, I know you are my granny.
What's
And
that?
she's my mother.
You're confused.
You know,
John, what do you tell him for coming up, boy?
Alright, go on. Come guide the grandma.
1 minute. First,
Test it, you have to test it.
where you want me to walk? That's all? No, I'm going to go down in that.
Yeah, walk in that top. Yeah, stay up on my
How many years, guys, I have been in Mama River? I used to be up at Maryland, in Mama River. So I used to up at Maryland there. Up at the shopping area there. Yeah, before you
mother
were.
come down here too.
Evening.
Come daddy.
Come, daddy. Man, a shirt in and a bone now.
Evening. What's up?
Talk of face.
You good?
Talk, who is this? Eh?
Who is it?
You're gonna do no.
Nana, who is this, Nana?
You look, no, she look younger than him.
Oh,
Alright.
who is she?
Your mother. I'm a grandmother. We take away your mother.
Hey, let me try see if we can walk the hill. Guys. Oh no. Some of them want to go up the bed.
Exercise.
I'm already feel one to be that's already able to go.
Yeah, man, you look a flat part there, you can walk more. Just walking at the truck, same place in the truck.
Oh my God, this she don't look like a mother. She look too young to be your mom.
What do you mean, man? Like, you know what?
Too young. Come on. You know, long enough here, mommy.
Yeah, I know this.
I don't feel my dad.
How long you not see her?
For about 1 year.
Yeah. Esther,
Come there, come on.
Esther Cranberry said the same thing, you know. How long me not see her? For 1 year. How long she just Felicia for again? See her 1 year.
1 year.
You can't take care of them. You can't. You know, so you could have walked through this, so nobody can take care of from upper black side.
White nose. White nose. Come this way. Wait your turn.
Wait a turn, boy.
Wait your turn.
Are you in my back, Alpha?
Mommy, watch your dog there. Watch your dog there.
Now we're boxing and face, man.
Yeah. You have to hold on.
Daddy.
Hold on, pan.
You live near you? Akeynote? You live near you?
Finally reach. Yes.
Got to go, mommy, and go on, man.
Yeah, man. Shall go on, man.
Yeah, better when I go down. You hear them, man? You look good.
Watch them back there. Mommy, mind them bounce you over.
Man, watch them, man. Especially a white mouth one day.
That is it. Hey, it's a wild dust gone, Akeynote.
You just gone?
Dust gone. Reach up. Time here, say, him I forgot.
Last time gone?
Yeah, up a ganton.
Oh, just him feed. Tara! Miss Tara there.
African Tara.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
So finally meet.
Finally meet. And Cranberry, your grandmother is finally here.
We have here.
Hey, what you have to do me?
Nah, not up here,
No up here, no up here. Here,
them
up in Maryland.
Up on Maryland, everything there.
Up in Maryland
Everything
now.
him getting up.
Yeah?
He's done everything where you have to get.
And I'm done it.
Me done everything what she
Yeah.
forget. How what me get so?
Every minute where you
Nah,
come
nah.
up, you have to get fries and things that buy you.
They open I know them thing there. Nana, how I go Nana?
I said, one day on my birthday, him bring me out.
Me see it, me see
Come
it. So I'm supposed to bring it out.
In
But
my
Esther bring you out.
one.
Esther never
Yes.
come.
Yeah. Come tell him, say, if he might bring me out.
Guys, cranberry skin is so nice, like velvet. Guys. So
She
cranberry
a
will
blush.
be forever young when she grows because of her color. It's called ageless. So much melanin, guys.
Yeah, she's so young and old already.
Young and and
She a-
Toko skin too. Look,
Yeah.
colors. Look at them skin.
Well, the complexion they up there, you know?
Go just to show him. Away there, you know that.
No, but no one got I wonder
What?
over there.
You see the eyes? Yeah, you see now? One way there.
And I say, we think him come long time.
No, we just come.
Come here, say, oh, the
We're not too bad for come up. No, Kino.
Ah, him alone long job.
Yeah, me that She not grew up like me that grew up like upper Maryland. I mean that go up the hill when I got the house.
Felicia used to the flat.
She used to flat, me used to them terrace thing here.
Ilan,
Ilan, Westmoreland, Ilan, Harbour,
Me say that's again. Well, long me watch him when he daddy. So there, every minute when he say, Keen. You remember his power for start it every time you up your mother.
And our mother.
Anna me.
I don't she.
It's not me, it's one
someone
of my
else.
friend.
Him friend. I say I go every minute. Me have to laugh and I say,
Oh,
"Mommy,
but oh.
Maxine.
No, not that. Airport.
No,
the airport one.
Where you hug me up. When it's
You
not.
know,
no,
say,
shut out the intro. And
yeah,
the video.
and the
Oh, you
airport
talk
too.
at the intro? It's not me on the
And
intro.
no, the airport. Me a talk.
Oh, the airport.
Okay.
Daddy, you don't say you nah know. I
Oh,
must
nah,
that me a talk, Daddy. So at the airport, every minute me say, you know how much time you have to skip it?
What's up?
Come mother say him first, I come over and say, Keen of them a come now.
Eh?
But,
Oh, yeah, show off from afar.
the liquor man and liquor miss.
You have to go up there.
One call them call. So them saying
So
chicken.
you have to call them.
Met Nana. No, met Nana. Cause come here. Come used to here.
We know why.
Cause Cranberry got in one bag of ling.
Just tell them same call him, don't go bother tell them.
What's your name? Excuse. Come get the show off one. Eh? You see her have an address. The claim so she shy.
She not shy, she's so ready for start.
You saw she dress as she dress herself in the fire
Yeah, man. Mad head.
When you see her, she dress.
Yeah, something for put on and she never want to put it on.
She got change.
Boss.
Put her what she like, you know.
Something you might eat. What you know? I might eat.
Oh, boom.
Boss, yeah, boss, raw, man.
Oh, the chicken, the chips.
What them there?
And I back.
Where you
Cranberry,
get
make him get the chips. Oh, we can't go down and go easy. Go down there then.
Come on,
Let them go eat.
Alright. Daddy, you not give back your mother, my mother. You have to take her refer you.
No
No, me
problem.
you made
Hey,
a
Granny, and then
Yeah,
Granny
me I
again.
take your friend, me not
Daniela,
get
hold
you.
this up.
Daniela, hold on.
Daniela, me I take
So 1 year she not see her mommy.
1 year.
Son of my grandmother. You not forget no.
Well, let me see
I know
what
your
God
mother
is
again.
here.
I
Oh,
full
my God,
grandmother.
Come, help your grandmother go down.
Come grandma.
No, grandma, let me sing what one. He said grandma come man.
Take care of grandmother. No, at the feet. Just sit up very easy so. Like who want it? One big piece of chicken here, right? No, put it together.
Show Felicia how you do it, mommy. Show Felicia how you do it.
Felicia, let me try.
She want try.
Mommy, go on, let me try.
Watch Esther, watch how I go on Esther.
Esther, watch this.
Esther,
Yeah,
what you are?
friend.
Yeah.
Close family friend.
So you're going to bring Esther to the hour? Ah, come here. Come here, so I'm going to Esther to the light chicken. Hey, look at her back in. What you like to do? I'm going to swim. And then what we done? We come up and say,
For the next side,
Daniela, boom, say.
for the next side, quiet.
Yeah.
Nobody around there?
Nobody around there. You go to the river quiet. Normally come out here. So
Let's try Friday.
I mean, I said, where you there so long? You know that is? I say every minute I have to watch your mother at airport or over. And the whole like girls, them I see every time when you go back to the, you know the man where you talk to? Just a turn. Where them there? What she say? Them turn them back out the road. Because the mother say, I saw them go call it. Like I don't know them never go call it. I said, me and ask if you want to take one cool and go to me. It's not here. Yeah, mother, you don't know water. You know, I'm going to touch man, you know.
Chuck off.
Yeah, Joe.
Water cool.
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 Nice.
Normally, my morning is cooler than this. Yeah, ice.
Hey, boom. Oh, you leave the back so close to White Nose. White Nose, I watch if you turn your back, you know. White Nose, a play, you know. Once your back turn, you know what time that gone. Yeah? Mosquito. Wow. It's something.
The biscuit something.
Which biscuit something?
You know which something I talk?
What's your thought, Nana?
Daniela.
What's your thought?
The something like KFC, daddy. She know.
What's your thought? The biscuit?
Yeah, the biscuit.
Oh, the biscuit not coming in.
Huh?
And the chips and chicken in again.
Yeah. Come on, them are gonna miss this.
You know them a size up. Go on with a dog space. You come having a chicken. Can you come share it with them?
Yes! Come here.
I'm taking my Herbalife in the report only because I'm not swimming. Alicia! Cheers, mate.
Alicia.
Alicia, cheers, mate.
Alicia and Kyra was here.
Cairo, darling, I'm here.
He was here.
So come here, so that.
Hey, no. Run them for now.
Move! Come here, eat. Don't make them.
You can make them, bend them. Tara, what's up, Tara?
I went to go jump on go for the box.
Don't suck, Kina.
Huh? You not do it right.
Need it good.
Put it right.
No. You have to bend it so. You have to make sure so you don't bend it like this. Go. Eh? From an eyebrow spice though. Yeah. You have to bend this side. Yeah, from eyebrow spice. Look like this.
Take it now.
And the chicken.
I forced me to see the skin now. The part of mommy. No, when I give it, it's a little bit. I forced me to see the water.
Hey, no, it don't damage that one there. They say that's why it's supposed to stay like that.
Wait off, I'm saying wait.
Tara, I give me a piece of your chicken.
Oh, I still going to send up for look man them.
Yeah. Yes, Tara, yeah.
Send Nana. Go get them.
This is for you, Tara.
Go in the
Tara, look, notice, man. All this, man, I don't get no chicken.
Yeah, hold it.
What is that? Man, the chicken just be feel like
Yeah,
you want
hold
the
it,
chicken.
man,
Yeah.
Hold it,
chicken
yeah,
job.
hold it.
What is
Hold
happening?
it, so, yeah. On this.
21
Okay,
piece, so
fix
you know it goes there. Let me fix it here. The chips are made up back there. Take out one chips each.
Just hold it now, hold it. Right, no one's. Are they? Big chicken.
So you thank your granny for the chicken.
Thank you,
granny.
Grandma. Thank you.
No problem.
No matter all your mommy, grandma.
Grandma. Say nanan. Say nanan.
Never said nan.
Nana.
Say nanan.
Nanan.
Let me know all of.
You can let the command on and daddy.
I am a nanan.
What you tell her? Eat a chicken fast. Just make the command them on.
Yeah, good.
Look command them now. Go eat that, yeah? Them sit there, eat it there.
Them fish here. See my favorite fish here. Eat her. You have to come back.
Eh?
You have to go to the water.
Yeah.
You don't want to price this chicken alone.
Hey, I'm next side road here, so you know.
Yeah, the other side. You want to take a walk? When you're ready, what have you done? Alright.
I like to put the ear, you know? Wrap it.
Wrap. Ketchup?
Please.
Oh, your cousin did one? She did one on her chicken?
No, she up there already.
Oh.
I just spoon that. I'm sorry.
No, she thinks they never get a chicken night then. She see the man, you can go down.
My chicken job.
Mama.
Come on, sit down, Toko. If you sit down, yeah, pick up the job.
Hey, she want ketchup in it, you know?
Yeah, ketchup, come. Come sit down.
Ah,
Yeah. This
Look, man, now get some of this too.
we down by the river.
That really start me out. Everywhere I turn a mosquito by.
Yeah, man, I saw it go. Fresh blood. Come on, somebody.
Guys, look. Mosquitoes. Look back, guys. Mosquitoes.
Then they're fresh.
Eh?
They're not
Imagine
fresh like
that.
a while ago.
Look.
Just a while ago. The river, by the river, guys. So you know the thing goes in by the river. I know probably the backlash. Sunfly them, probably sunfly. Sunfly them, yeah. Probably sunfly them. Long time in a swim. Breadfruit burger. Daniela. You better watch White Nose on the chicken box, yeah? White Nose. Last time White Nose was a steak, what's your name? Tara chicken and run. Watch Taylor Waggle. watch Taylor Waggle right in front of 30 grand. I say lock off 30 grand, no more. Oh, when I go down.
Yeah.
With some rice.
A piece of bread.
Yeah, oh. Boom, knock off.
You run a cockle milk, give me.
Yeah.
You got to never cockle milk.
Oh, you left back something? Right as well. So imagine, look at this big rock that wash all the way from down the river come down here, boy. But imagine when Hurricane Melissa. Imagine. What talk again? Oh, the cups.
A dragon.
I never have no cup up there. KFC. Finally you get to see a granny, right? Eating White Nose.
When I come back, 2 more.
2 more. Water.
Take them. That's why I love my grandmother.
The ramp switch quick, you know.
The lock switch.
Well, and she's switching instant. Right there. Today she'll labor right, tomorrow she'll PMP. I'm from Cranberry at all. Well, White Nose, your nose a smell of.
And get peace.
So last time sit down and I watch Tara, you know. And wait till everybody walk past.
Daddy.
And just walk past and run down there. And run down there.
Pick them up. 2 more.
They must bring for themselves. Somebody bring for them. They bring none for Tara, none for Cranberry.
So you not.
I don't eat chicken. I forgot.
Never know that.
Okay.
My dad don't eat meat.
And that I eat chicken.
Yeah. Anything. So you know, at least
I meat a little more.
I don't know. I think try and see. Yes. Civilized time, so you must eat anything you get right now. Civilized. So you might eat breadfruit. So you get piece of eyeball spice breadfruit burger. Because them dog are probably still traumatized from Melissa. For them first experience, you know. Yeah. Just imagine what the animal them was going through. You know. They got experience Melissa. They're traumatized. When we come back and look on the dog, slim, you know, slim out. Yeah. We used to get them dog food, they used to show thick.
What?
But Melissa kind of stressed them out, I'm not lie. Melissa stressed them out, guys.
Well, yeah, I don't know how you get him out of the feet.
Bully, man. Yes, guys, I feel like relaxing today, you know.
I see my something that is like relaxing today.
Eh? Next time we can come up here come soon next time, but if you come during the week.
Tomorrow if you come, daddy.
No, because on the weekend too much people are there. And the water go. People are there for weekends more.
Yeah. Then I really see whole heap of people like Saturday and Sunday, you know, some whole heap of people come from
Yeah. But during the week, yeah.
especially Sunday.
If you want to have a good swim with the water clear and clean, see me, you have to come from them time. Because you know on the weekends, people come out a lot just to come and swim, you know. Especially Saturday and Sunday. So whenever we come here, if we're going to swim, we make sure we come here during the week. You know, so at least there's not too many people in the water and have the space for yourself. You know, because most people who gotta work or who gotta school or whatever they're going to be, you know. So at least we have that time that we can come up here, you know. So I think.
Yeah.
Ask her what you want. How are you?
Oh.
You?
Chicken.
How are you?
And to me, I put that in here.
At the old dumpling them one, man.
You say, dear, when you cook it now, you want to be a wire by pot. You never want to do
Sure, why over pot? Eh?
Yeah.
Not from me.
No, not from Tina. You cook it a man, yeah. I'm color the rice too.
Yeah, but not from me.
Not from you.
No, not since you come. Not since you come. Because I know I'm not taste my old dumpling yet, you know what I'm saying?
You see part where you go and take up every single thing and somewhere put in a bag like for mother for you.
Yeah.
You tell me I watch when you are going to get back the bag.
Oh, for you.
Because you have to put your all you know that. Oh, so much coming at them one day.
I know, never spot different. Tara, what's up?
You know better?
Yeah. Hey, Tara.
I know in a pool.
Tara is the one that dresses herself, you know, guys. She always dresses herself. And Tara like to wear them long dress, literally long one.
That when you go back, you want to pick up Wally, you pass on to me. Back to that and Wally. I forgot up to the truck there. Wow, that's like farmer's back. You know where the farmer's back is? Up on top. Yeah, when I go warm.
So for them here.
They offer them house, but them mother not there. When them mother not there, they offer them sister.
Like talk out here, I get redder. Talk now, we are a swimming cap. Tara, you two can see. One more chicken. Tara, one more chicken Togo.
Yeah.
It's sweet, I must say. Eh? Yeah. And them swim? You swim in Cranberry? No, but you have to cover it up.
So when we come down and see where we look around, where we come from. Yeah, we come from them to what's there.
When you finish it.
So we're going to show Mummy by the other side of the river, where the mini pool is. Our talk off, we're going to teach her to swim. And Cranberry them. Any more? A lot of the soil wash away from running or something.
Yeah. I'll tell you to George support them.
You know, so some only for sand the boy.
Yeah. Yeah.
And that's how we get them.
Because a riverbed is down.
Here, see the sun here? Free sun.
Yeah, sand. A riverbed.
So the more you dig is pure sun. But you can see the whole of here so wash down, you know. Yeah, because there's sun. Free sun.
You know, you say water run.
Up here so though.
Yeah. One pipe there.
I can see it. Whole like, because this one never so high.
This one never dig down so.
Yeah. So the water run from, when it come over the whole up here, so pure water. See there more sun again. So it expose the whole of the sun. Look even right here, sir.
It's a stop.
No, but look right here, sir. Would have stepped down here. This never used to be there, sir.
No.
Okay, I see them.
Oh. They say you're walking bare feet. When we get in ground then. Call this tree with them big roots. Around here empty.
So nice, man.
Yeah, them keep up growing us still, you know.
Eh?
Yeah, man, them
Oh, to the bag them there. Wow. Start down to the bag.
When the rain fall, and it flood all up, that's full of water.
Yeah.
And over
The last time we shop the wash away, this so.
Oh, yeah?
The shop washing from up here, sir?
We wash away the last time when the hurricane did come.
Yeah.
The last hurricane come, we wash away.
Yeah.
Something.
So imagine that, guys, that shop you see up there, it wash away the last time the storm. That's what barrel. That's how when barrel come. Barrel. Kenny shop barrel at us.
What? Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
When we come next time, we want to go to Auntie Dasa. One of the house.
So up here so the deep, you know. Up here so we used to jump off from, you know. Yeah, the other day when we talk to them around here, up here so we are jump off from. When I say condom, no, catch the bag there again, the bag them. That's Tara. Tara, go and swim, man. And she can't swim, you know. Tara, big swimmer, man. But the whole of this moment is full of water. Yeah, when time we used to swim on them. Now the bag them wash away. The whole of the sandbag them wash away. Eh?
It's not better.
No, get more deeper.
No, but it's not good when it's deep, you know.
That's how adult one, yeah, so.
Oh, which part? That's all. Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, so the water that reach me on my neck.
Your neck.
Yeah.
One more time.
So go to the next side. Yeah, the floor on the floor.
Wanna jump off what we do?
Yeah? Nice. Yeah. I could have sit down on a rock there, you know? That rock there. Yeah. I'm put your foot in the water. Jack. Boom. Look how we are truck off the other day. Cargo. Yeah, you can't stand up. Wait, there? Oh. Guys, just imagine how they come alive. Each time they go in the water, like these kids, they come really alive. You know, and then the mama always join them as well too. But whenever we come up here, yeah, them always like, you know, in them zone. But whenever them go in the water, it's a different kids them you're looking at. Like them is free. I'm telling you, it's something else when they get in the water. Cause if you notice, them vibe is different. And no matter how cold water it is, they're used to that. No matter what time of the day or anything, especially Toko, she the big swimmer. Look like she is, hey. Look as she is. But earlier on, you know, when we used to swim around here, the water was like literally cover up these places, you know. The water was all the way at the top. So when you jump up, even up here, the water was up more. So when I even stand right here, the water reached at my neck, as you can see. Eh? Oh. Yeah. You should have cool. Tara get cool. So the river you can follow it all the way up.
No, this go for Irish Town now.
Yeah.
This go shot me attack, you know. Go way up.
Yeah. So when you walk, you go up more. You have some little small, little pool areas.
You walk and no, let me tell you something. You see this? If rain fall sometimes, you don't know.
Yeah.
Because the rain fall up in the mountains, yeah? And you walk and go up, and it that needs you.
But the only difference is the water always change.
No, I mean,
you get the signs then.
Yeah, the signs. Have a look at the changes.
You get the sign. So you now wash your face with the water, mommy?
No.
I guess you now wash your face with sun gone in a long time.
Oh, easy. You're wet.
Them just,
I know the water look cold.
them used to this thing. Them used to this thing, yeah.
Deep.
Man, shit my head drop, I put her down.
Daddy!
So here, the wilderness, guys. But imagine, look where we are right now. On the river, when the river come down, the last storm, you know, it wash away that shop before them build it back up. Same place up there. So the whole of this place here, where you see, because that's higher than me. So that's like probably one, like 15 feet of water that come up there. You know, cover everything here. And all of this, you know. Cover the wall. So where 30 grand is, look. And look where the shop is. So you see where 30 grand is right here. And up there, the water will wash away that shop already in the barrel. So look how high that water is, right? See there? Wash off all that. So 30 grand will be so underneath the water. Can you see there? So it wash it off. So that's how much the water come down here. The whole of the side over there, so you see, the water was literally on the side. So you see where boom is, literally like that. So when this river come down, it's not normal. Not normal.
Guys, this is really nice. I'll be coming back and swim.
Yeah. Come on, a real vibe.
Showing my locks them time then. Rastafari.
Show your love.
Next time, guys, you'll be seeing my locks.
Yeah.
Up on the nature time when I come back.
So I guess she have some locks underneath the wig. You know,
Guess they don't have to have locks.
there's some locks underneath the hair, you know, so ear under the ear. Yes, ear under the ear. That's where it is. Ear under the ear.
Hair on the hair.
Time I get dark quick, yeah. Yeah.
Are you about to skin?
Cranberry.
Alright guys, so the time is getting late now. So it's time for us to head out, see it. Time for us to go and make our way out the building. Because you know this is, it's not summer, it's not long day and short night. It's short day and long night now. So you know, so you can't do it too much. Boom! So movements of job people.
You left the back.
Eh?
You left the back. You don't want to move.
Take that drink.
Say it again. chicken.
Take up on the chicken. Hold it properly. Basically, them have to bank up here with stone. So there was a gully right here, like the water wash down and make a deep gully right here. So as you can see, them have to back it up back with stone behind it as well too. So it's good thing, I'm saying it's good thing Kingston never get the full force. Cause trust me, the river that look away. The river would have look away. These trees, a lot of these trees that fall long if Mellis had really come at Kingston, boy. Yeah. Trust. Yes, I look out here, man. Go and put it on and come, man. Cranberry, go and put it on and come back.
Go put it on and come. And nobody not going to trouble it.
The dog can't reach it.
Put it on the dresser.
We are waiting for you, put it on and come.
Go on. No, you don't have any. Go on. No more. Go on and bring it and come back.
You are going to get you and going back later.
Yeah.
Cranberry, hurry up. Pure sun exposing the sun. So much sun right now. Pure sun. Pure sun right now. Mommy, walk back, push by your walk. In the water. No, mommy, don't walk on the edge yet. Walk back in here, son. Yeah. Let's come back in here, son. Yeah. Yeah, you can walk in here. Let's walk the other way. Oh, the big stone there wash come down.
When it wash, see this one there?
Yeah. And stop right there, so.
That one there?
Yeah.
One of them there, them move. Here, them stone, move.
Go on, sir. One kilo in the sim no sab.
Man, do this so.
Eh?
Why is you choose to go there so? Ah, Felicia, mommy did it.
Felicia, I did it, guys.
Yeah,
Finally.
she did it. She did it.
Everyone knows that.
Yeah.
What you do? You tell them when they come back.
So them say, okay. I got my grandmother bag.
Oh, sir. Grandmother better take you with her.
You know the light up glass, Daddy? Eh? The light up glass.
Which light up glass?
You know the light up glass, when I put down it light up.
Yeah.
Orange glass. So me say when you come here, I ask you. You know?
No, I don't know. No. You will tell me.
You can't buy that again.
That I get so much gift.
No, one glass, not that light.
Kind of glasses.
Like the light up glass.
Oh, the light up Christmas glasses.
Yeah. You see part where we go buy the ice cream? You see part where we go buy the ice cream right at the shop, right? That's it sell. That's why I ask you.
So you now start the class again.
Yeah, Daddy.
So you that if you talk about
Yes,
talk
Daddy.
about class.
That's why I ask you,
Where?
Daddy. Hey, Daddy.
Nah, you still have start the class?
So we go.
I'm not going now. You go start the class?
Last week we go. Last week.
Oh, you ask about class, so you not ask about start the class.
No, my teacher, he say, no, look, like him say, look like you want a glass, Kedisha. So just ask your mother for the glass.
No, there's some of the glasses you see so long ago.
I know, I just sit down the road.
Hey, Daddy.
Can I talk to them by fooling this?
With the money.
With the ice cream money. That's what them by
Bubbles.
the bubbles.
And bubbles
The
can't
bubbles
eat.
done in one day.
And that can't eat.
Yeah.
Me, I got start the
Well,
class.
guys, I'll be coming back to see you guys. I'm going to cook on the river.
Yeah, definitely.
You see that? Daddy escape.
You know, look at this now. She finally.
Tell
Hey.
your boy, you know.
She have to,
You think you
you
can't
know the
hear me,
problem
you can't
is no,
hear me.
she have to know, she have to suss it out first.
Yes, yeah.
She has to
That's
suss
how
out
she-
people
yeah.
before she don't run in a people.
Yeah.
Yeah, me not run, don't run in her. Don't in her.
Go on, Nike.
Bye bye, bye bye, bye
Go on,
bye.
Nike.
Let's see her, yeah? When I come back.
Toko.
Aye.
Toko, Lord.
Hey, so them are going to start the class?
Yeah.
That's nice. You know, bad. When am I going to start the class?
Tomorrow, like $1,000 for me and she alone. Not them two,
Give
them
them,
come.
you know.
$1,000 for 2 alone?
For $2,000, so them
Yeah.
now go.
No, them can't go.
The big one, them, the big grades.
Also,
Oh, it's $1,000 alone?
Yeah.
1,000 for me. Like every week.
yeah,
Oh,
yeah, me give. Oh, 2,000. Aye.
I bet me I go get my granny $100 for buy a juice.
You're not getting no more, you get
exactly.
$1,000.
I bet
You can't use the brace.
Hey, you're not smart like me, you know.
Still, but she can't use her.
God, you can't use no brains for me. Let me see
Let me go. Let me go.
You can't use the brains.
Daddy, my darling. If you
Alright then, later.
Daddy said,
Yeah. Alright then.
Cause you no get money for go to school. You have to get talk out them money for buy ice cream. Yeah? You no get money for go to school, you no can't talk. You know, give them 5 bills for share for buy ice cream. So for share the next little girl.
The black talk and
Yeah, cause
all
through
this
the money for school.
screw this.
Oh,
Eh?
oh.
Yeah. She not running now.
Daddy, we love you. Make sure you have a safe journey. And may God bless you for the chicken. Turn the camera to me more. Anybody with up on the camera, thank you for my chicken. And my mother say thank you too. And may God bless you. And do have a wonderful day.
Oh,
and
thank you.
And thank you for the 2,000 for going to school to start my Saturday class. Wow. And God is blessing you. Have a safe journey, Kino, and your mother and everybody.
Hey, that is it. Well spoken.
Buy ice cream for you.
Yeah. For you and Tara, yeah? You will get for the class money. And that for ice cream. See you guys when we come.
Great.
One day in the week, yeah?
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Alright.
Love you, Daddy and Mommy.
Alright, love you. Confused.
No mind her.
What's
She's smart, you know.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Mr. Cranberry also
Your
like
juice
no?
this?
Yeah.
Oh, that's mine.
Cranberries are also like so she have a smart.
Street smart, you know. Yeah, she's a good man. And I wanted to say, seeing them like now, like them smart here. And Tara, look at them. Tara have to know she not running at people.
And talk as well, so talk us to you. And none of them are running.
No, them don't running.
Yeah, but Cranberry always start the talking.
An outspoken one.
And then just sit down and watch her.
And then, yeah.
Because she has the mouth, you know.
Which is good, you know, at least, you know.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cranberry
It's
has
good
the
and
mouth.
it's good and it's bad at some point.
Alright guys, so you know the thing go. You know, when we get to experience to see Cranberry in first hand, you know. And know what she's like.
Cranberry.
See her on the TV is one, but when you see her in person, you know, it's a different total ball game, you know.
Yeah, it is. It's different.
Yeah, man. And she don't
She's
stop.
nice. She's nice.
Yeah.
And her skin is so nice, guys. Both all of them.
Cranberry. You know.
Yeah. Even the mom also skin. Yeah, them good man.
So charge it, they go up on the road, so you like if you see charge it.
I think you see them life here are the real life.
I notice all stress no show up on them.
No stress. Guys, this life is the real life. Yeah, it's because we just come out a certain thing.
Have it certain way, but
Yeah,
as you said, you know, no stress now.
We grew up in a thing where we think we have to have. We don't have to have like all of what we think we want to have. You understand me? Because this all me just feel is just, it reminds me back when I was growing and living in Irish Town with my aunt also.
Everything go on. Okay. Yeah, that's what I would, man. Yeah.
Yes, guys, as we were saying that just sitting by the river just now, it's a peace of mind. You know?
You just call me, I come like I me in my car.
Yeah, you understand, guys?
Move. That's how
It's
you
more,
feel, man.
no. It just bring me back, right back.
That's why when time I say, yo, Mama River, man, say, yeah, man. Nah, edge, them can come out of the concrete jungle.
Yeah, we don't all have to be in the cars, concrete, where concrete I do for it. Everything is just high to wall, just, it's an entrapment, you know. This is real nature, right? This is real nature, this is really real life, man.
Out the concrete jungle. Yes, guys, so you know the thing, so we're going to head back in now. You know the thing until another day. You know the thing, our dream team, one team. You know the thing is our only real team. Blessed love to all. Peace. Put up the door, prefect. Put up the door, that the minister coming. Alright guys, well, so back in Trenchtown with a quick stop. You know, back in Kingston. So you know the thing goes. So the other day you went and you see we get some stuff, you know, from Aunt Viv. You know, big yourself Viv. You know, from New York. You know yourself, Aunt Viv. But my camera looks so blurry. Tell me, is it blurry? You said no tissue. No tissue? No tissue. Much, look a bit better. Yes guys, so remember the other day everyone got the packages with the clothes from Aunt Viv. And we have 1 year for because Prefect wasn't aboard. So now Prefect is here. The Prefect can receive his package from Aunt Viv from New York. So we have Prefect here in the building. Prefect, so here is your package here. You know, from Aunt Viv. From New York, enough thanks, enough respect, and really appreciate it. Thank you very much for the package, you see. Yeah. I hope the good Lord guide you, protect you. Merry Christmas when it comes, and prosperous New Year. Bless up, one love. Thanks again.
Alright, so we give thanks to Viv. Viv, thank you so much. You know, you think about nothing but love and love alone. You know, you think about some blessed love, Viv. Dream team, one team. You know, it's the only you need. Blessed love.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.